Meet Author Clock. Let's read some of its quotes together. There was a cautious knock at the door near his head.
Gregor,
Somebody called. It was his mother.
it's 7:15. Didn't you want to go somewhere?
Strand postmark and dispatch 1036, said Holmes, reading it over and over. Mr. Overton was evidently considerably excited when he sent it over and somewhat incoherent in consequence. Now for the center of the globe, he added in Danish. I looked at Hans. Forut, was his tranquil answer. Forward, replied my uncle. It was 13 minutes past 1. 'Tis now struck 12. Get thee to bed, Francisco.
Life's journey takes you to incredible places all over the world. Having a companion to organize and hold your treasures is key. Now introducing the Everyday Bag from Montage, a handmade, eco-friendly, versatile bag to carry your necessities wherever you go. Last year, we delivered thousands of bags all over the world and got amazing reviews from you all. Montage is made from a premium Portuguese cork that is just as durable as leather, yet lightweight and smooth to touch. You will feel confident taking your Montage on all of your adventures from the city to the rainforest. Every aspect of Montage has been thoughtfully designed with amazing feedback from our community. The interior features a minimalistic approach designed to maximize what you can carry. Use the Montage compression bags to squeeze all this into this for those long weekend trips. Carry it in your most convenient way. Convert it from backpack to side body in seconds. In the age of remote work, Montage allows you to pack for an epic workday on the go, while ending with an after-hours workout. We added straps on the bottom so you can carry your yoga mat for whenever you may need to squeeze in a session. Traveling with Montage is a breeze. It's a perfect carry-on that can be mounted on your luggage or slips nicely underneath all airplane seats. Whether you are commuting to your job or exploring the beauties the world has to offer, Montage will be your companion on every stage of the journey. Back us on Kickstarter today and receive a free mini Montage, the perfect sidekick. Thank you so much for joining us on our journey.
It's a struggle living and working in the same space.
Hi. Oh. Okay. Nice. Bye.
You don't have to erase your flow. Introducing Secret Whiteboard by SableFlow. Easily swap art. Quick installation. Flip to open in either direction. Show your best side on every call. And a satisfying magnetic closure. Switch from work to home with a flick of the wrist. Now let's meet our founder.
Hi, I'm Tomer Saran, founder of SableFlow. I created the Secret Whiteboard when, like so many of us today, I was working at a kitchen table in a small apartment. I needed somewhere to organize my genius ideas. but hated how whiteboards take over a space. I was also struggling with feeling overworked. And the Secret Whiteboard gives me the space to feel productive and turn off work at the end of the day. The Secret Whiteboard hides in plain sight, so you can keep your workflow and your style. After 2 years of product development, our team is so excited to bring this project to you and see all the amazing ways that you'll use it.
Such as organizing your home, raising your kids, at game night. It works where you work. Have the confidence to host in a moment's notice.
Hi!
Back Secret Whiteboard on Kickstarter today. Secret Whiteboard by Sable Flow.
Try again. Shake. I don't think she knows it. But that's okay. Okay.
Silicon, and both sides gives you a great grip.
Fashion and design experience. What started us on this journey was our realization that everyday backpacks are generally far undervalued. A backpack that actually added value to people and the needs of their everyday work and lifestyle was missing. We searched everywhere for the most comfortable ergonomic everyday backpack. One that's sleek, modern, fashionable, waterproof, and highly organized. We couldn't find it, so we created it. And with your help, we can change the future of backpacks. Introducing the S1 Backpack by Symmetry, the most supportive, ergonomic backpack on Earth. We partnered with chiropractors to best understand how we could design the most comfortable, ergonomic backpack possible. The S1 Backpack is constructed with strong embedded panels, providing unmatched structural integrity. So no matter what's inside, it doesn't move a muscle. This allows the S1 to stay synchronized with your spine, providing the proper support for your back, a smooth ride no matter what. Memory foam shoulder pads and memory foam lumbar cushioning take loads of pressure off your shoulders and back. And full-grain leather straps from top to bottom form to each physique uniquely, offering a tailored fit to every user. Just like high-quality leather boots or a fine wine, it gets better with age. The comfort and support of the S1 is truly the best there is. We hand-picked the best materials we could find. A beautiful twill nylon body keeps it secure and unrelenting, while a ballistic nylon bottom is ridiculously durable and practically impenetrable. The highest quality full-grain leather is softly textured for grip and robust for durability. And of course, the S1 is waterproof. With waterproof zippers, you don't have to worry about the elements. Your most important items are safe and sound. The S1 is an organizer's dream everyday bag. Pockets everywhere and customizable compartments create endless possibilities for organization so that you can systematize your backpack in a way that's best for you. The S1 is the perfect travel companion. Along with a sleeve for your suitcase handle, the S1 completely unzips and fans out for easy packing and unpacking. 3 detachable nodes give you more space to put things in places that are typically underutilized in backpacks. At Symmetry, we spent years designing and perfecting the S1 backpack. We focused on the most critical features we aspired to have in an everyday bag. Best-in-class comfort and ergonomics, sleek design, quality materials, organization, and features for travel. Our philosophy is simple: create the best products we possibly can with the utmost intention and attention to detail that will last a lifetime. And with the S1, we not only created the most supportive, ergonomic backpack yet, but we believe we have the very best everyday backpack for the modern professional, creative, and traveler.